Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, compass, power brakes, clock, trip odometer, cargo area light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.